Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today, we've got a room tour here for you, and we're at the Stella Nova in Orlando, Florida. This is right beside the Epic Universe Park. So maybe a nice, convenient hotel for you if you're planning on staying at Orlando and going to the Epic Universe theme park. So this is a higher floor. We're on the 9th floor. This room is 9010, 9010. And this is a 2-queen layout. I'm pretty sure they only have 2 queens offered in the hotel. So yeah, we'll take a look at this room here in just a few minutes, but we're going to turn around and look at the main entrance. So this is the door that you'll use to walk in. There's like a nice kind of open area here just to kind of get in the room. There's a mirror here on the right side. And then over to the left side here, there's 2 big doors that opens up into the closet area. So we've got our stuff stored here at the moment, but there's lots of room for your suitcases. They've got an ironing board and an iron. They've got some hangers here as well. And there's a laundry bag too in case you want to do laundry while you're here. And then a safe to keep your things safe while you're here. And then there's an extra blanket up here above on the shelf. Okay, and just beside those closets, I'll just point out too that there's a thermostat here in the room that you can adjust the temperature to your liking, and you can also change it between Fahrenheit and Celsius in case you need that. I'll just mention too that the air system, it's a little bit noisy when it's on and blowing the air. And then when it turns off, there's also sort of this background, like almost like plumbing or someone like around the room, like above or below is taking a shower. So it is a little bit noisy, and we also noticed too that during the evening when we were kind of winding down, we noticed we heard a lot of people in the hallways and their doors opening and closing. So that was kind of noisy, so just keep that in mind. It almost seemed like someone was coming in our door. That's how noisy it was and how close it was. So it must have been our neighbors, but the rooms aren't super soundproof, so I just wanted to let you know that. Okay, so coming into the bathroom area here, so there's just a single sink, and I really like the styling on the sink here in the vanity. I like the styling on the mirror too. You can do some different things with the light switches too. So you can turn off the main light up here and have this sort of background lighting behind the mirror, which looks really cool. So there's hand soaps and things provided by the hotel. We got lots and lots of towels. So there's towels up there. There's some cups. There's some extra toilet paper and Kleenex and a hair dryer. And then over here, there's some extra hand towels and face towels here. And then moving into the washroom, so there's the toilet just here, lots of towels up on the top rack here, and then a big glass shower. We've got lots of space in here, and then just behind the door here, there is 2 towel hooks as well. I like the shampoo and conditioner they use here. I'm not sure like what the brand is, but they've got it kind of themed to the hotel of Stella Nova, and it's called Cosmic Ember. I had a shower using this stuff and it smells really, really good. So just to let you know that. And then they do provide you a bar of soap, and there's a nice kind of shower head to have a nice comfortable shower. And I just wanted to also point out too, there's like a footrest too here in case you needed that for shaving or anything like that. So that's nice and convenient. Okay, so from the washroom area, they have this big glass piece here that's got like this smoked out look to it. And there's also a curtain on the other side as well you can pull just for a little extra privacy. But I like how you have that option to keep the curtain closed or open it. And there's a bit of privacy between the bedroom and the bathroom area. So coming into the main living and bedroom area, first thing I'll point out here, actually first thing I want to point out is the really cool decor and the theming in here. It's got this space theme to it, and we've got this really cool like backdrop here with this really nice lighting effect. And even the headboards too, they've got this cool design on the headboards just to kind of make it look a bit more futuristic. So at nighttime, the lighting in this room is really, really cool, really modern, and I really, really liked it. I love the theming in this hotel and the room here. They've got these lights here that you can use. We couldn't figure out how to turn them on. Turns out there's a little switch. Oh, I think it's on this side. There's a little switch on the side here, just right here, to turn this light on and off. And then just below that, they've got a little coffee station here for single cup coffee in the morning. and then also an ice bucket, and you can fill up your ice at the near the elevator. Just as soon as you get off the elevator, there's an ice machine there and a water refilling station too with filtered water. If you look down here, this is where the refrigerator is located, and inside the refrigerator there's lots of space for some extra drinks or water. Actually, it's not a big fridge, but you can still store some things here while you're at the hotel. Yeah, I just like the design on this, like the coloring here, how the whites, and then this really cool like curved look where you pull for the cabinet. Yeah, it's just a really cool like modern trendy design. And that kind of carries forward here on the cabinet area where you can store your things. These are nice, easy to open and soft close drawers. Over here there's the telephone that you can reach out to the front desk, make local calls, ask for a wake-up call and just get some Universal information. Sorry, I meant like Universal Studios information. Beside the telephone there's some charging and power. So we've got two power outlets here. We've got a USB Type-C and then 3 USB chargers there you can use to power and charge your things. And then this is just a nice little information sheet about the hotel. So it just goes over things like check-in, check-out, housekeeping, making local calls in the fitness center, and so on and so forth. So there's a television as well. It was really nice too because they had some cool music playing in the background when we came in, and it was very easy to navigate the TV. We could even access like Netflix and cast to the TV as well. We couldn't figure out actually how to get the casting working, but hopefully you might have a better time doing that. A big sofa here with a nice little throw pillow. And then we've got a little table here too that you can use to maybe eat at or get some room service. And then another one of those wall lights with the switches too. So over in the bed area, like I mentioned before, there's 2 queen beds. The mattresses are pretty firm, so they're nice, like what you'd expect from a hotel. The pillows are also quite firm as well. And then they have this same design here on the bedside table with this cool little, I don't know what else to call it besides this little mushroom light on the night tables here. There's an alarm clock here in case you want to use that, and also a USB and USB Type-C ports on there to charge your devices here at the night table. And then there's also a drawer too to store some things in here as well. So yeah, over here, this is the window looking out to the outside here, and I like this cool design. It almost looks like the window you might see in like a spaceship, for example. So I'll give you guys a quick peek outside. So our view looked out over to the parking lot and the surrounding Orlando area. The other view would be looking out over the pool. So we opted for the parking lot view because if you look over this way, you get not a great view, but you get a little bit of a view of Epic Universe. So yeah, I'll leave you guys with this view here as we wrap up here, but I would definitely, you can also get a good view of the front of the hotel here at Stella Nova. So this is where we walked in and we parked out in the parking lot here. It was $30 per night for parking, so just to let you know that too. But I will let you know we did a full resort tour here at Stella Nova, so be sure to check that out on our channel as well. And I would definitely recommend staying here. This was a really cool, very unique looking hotel. The rooms are super themed really nicely too, so I bet like families and kids would really enjoy that. Everything seemed very new, very clean. The food was good. It was a little pricey, but you'd expect that from more of a theme park hotel. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.